right, so here we are once again, heading down to the beach in Tamarindo. Let's check it out. Looking pretty good so far. Looks like there's some surfing action. So this entrance here is right at about the middle of the main strip in Tamarindo. So this is what you'll find if you come down this way. Alright, cool. Once again, restaurants here on the beach. Lots of restaurants. Bunch of surfers here between, you can see some rocks over there. And there's some rocks over here. So everybody's surfing out between the rocks. Looks like there's some cool waves here. Water feels like ice on a hot day. It's good, good stuff. Okay, so once again, this is Tamarindo. Further down the beach, down that way, you got Playa Grande, and you can see this whole beach all the way along. If you're more of an advanced surfer, I think if you head down that way to Grande, you're gonna get better waves. This is kind of like a beginner's beach, but it's good if you're visiting Tamarindo. If you're in the area, there's lots of surf lesson shops that can run you through and teach you how to surf. Let's see somebody surf here. I want to see some surfing action. These guys look like they're about to send it. Let's see a big send here. There's one, two. Oh. That's 1,000% better than I can do, so good on him. That was cool. You can see this is just about waist-high water here. Waves are breaking, so it's also good for kids. If you got just one of those little body boards, you can bring your kids out here. This water's not turbulent at all, so it's really cool. All right, well, let's head back up to the main strip, check out some of those restaurants and shops that we didn't check out on the last video, some of the hotels, right after this wave. All right guys, so here we are back at the main junction in Tamarindo. The path that we just took to get to the beach was right over there. So you can see this is kind of where all the action's happening. There's a little tourist shop here. But what we'll do is we'll head up this road here and check it out. There's a bunch of shops and restaurants. So again, if you're coming from somewhere else to visit Tamarindo, just these guys will guide you into the parking spots and you just pay them a couple mil cologne. All right, so there's some shops up here. See a pharmacy here. A lot of stuff in Costa Rica is over the counter, so it's best to just go in and ask or show them your prescription. You can get a lot of things here very easily. Here's a little shopping center. Cool restaurant. Let's check this out. So nice, scenic. Fountains. Okay, so here's a little store. You can grab a GoPro. Cool, cool. GoPro 9s there. Batteries, if you happen to need a battery. Natural pharmacy. Looks like essential oils and some vitamins, etc. Always good to know where those stores are. There's a BCR. So with these BCR machines up here, you can usually put your credit card in and take cash out if you ever need cash. Works pretty well. I've heard varying things with regards to debit machine use, but if you put a credit card in, you can generally take cash out. That's good to know. There's Insta Credit in case you need a payday loan, I guess. Cool, cool. All right, here's a store that just sells a whole bunch of stuff. See some baby formula in there if you're coming down with an infant. And some formula. Boca Brava. Oh yeah. Oh cool, so they got snorkeling gear, they got boogie boards, boogie body boards, all the good stuff. So let's head back out to the main road there. There's a cool restaurant. All right, now across the way is a food court. There's a wild panda. It says, suck my cocktails. So I'm just reading off that sign. I don't want you guys to think that I'm a degenerate, so I'm gonna show you. There it is. Wild panda. Perfect. That is perfect. This is where it starts getting a little busier down here. You can see all kinds of restaurants. I mean, if you're going surfing out on the beach, just head up here, there's all kinds of food. So now you can see more. There's some clothing shops here. That's cool. There's a really nice condo there. Imagine that's probably one of the more pricier locations to rent here in Tamarindo, but up this road it's all kinds of accommodations you'll find. Let's go check out this road down here. It's a really cool little spot for kids. It's kind of hidden away. So that's super cool. Didn't get an opportunity to eat here, but that's something to check out. Breaking Bread. Cool. I dig it. Oh, here you go. You can rent motorbikes here. Golf carts. If you want to kick around in a golf cart. All right, and there's a cool sign, Tamarindo. And check out this place. This is fantastic. So you got a skate park. You got the Tamarindo sign for all you IGers out there. Basketball court. You got green situation, fake grass. Oh, and look at this, look at this. There's a kids play park. This is great. Look at this guy. Oh yeah. That was pretty dope. All right, cool. Look at that. So there's this really cool kids playground here. And you can see there's another business behind here that has all kinds. I see organic juice, vegan treats. So everything here has got this vibe about it that's naturalistic. Awesome, awesome vibe here in Tamarindo. And this is the coolest thing I've ever seen. So down here there's all this like green stuff. Got some kids giving some attitude. Kids with attitude. And you know what? I think we're gonna go check out that restaurant up there, the roof. Because I'm getting hungry. Let's go.
Okay, yeah.
All right, so there it is, Tamarindo. Second time we visit. Currently at the Roof Pizza. It was delicious, delicious pizza here. Definitely check this place out and look at the view. Look at this, it's fantastic. Finish your day surfing, trying to surf, falling down. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe. Check out the links below. Check out sightsandsounds.co for a full written description of everything we talked about in this video. Take care, thanks for watching. Bye now.